Hey, Alice, did you watch the game last night?
Uh, I I didn't watch. No, I watched.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Was it good?
yeah. It was very, very. The team, they
Crazy game.
yeah.
Yes.
I think he was. Oh, sorry. I gotta run. Talk later.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. I'm James. You just saw Alice. She knew the answer. She had the words, but something stopped her. Today, I will show you exactly why that happened.
James, I felt that so much. That is literally me every single time.
I know, because that was me too.
Really?
Every single day for years. Let me ask you something. When you hear English, what happens first?
I hear the words, and then I translate them. And then I understand.
Right. And how long does that take?
Maybe 2 seconds?
2 seconds. That sounds small, but in a real conversation, 2 seconds is everything. Think about this. Imagine you are watching a tennis match. The ball is coming toward you fast. And before you swing, you stop. You think about the rules. You think about the angle of your arm.
And the ball is already gone.
Exactly. Translation does this to your conversation.
Oh, that is me. I do that every time.
Now, how do you fix this?
Stop translating?
That is what most people try, but it does not work.
Why not?
You cannot just stop. It is a habit, a very old habit. The answer is different. You stop needing translation.
I don't understand.
Let me ask you something. When you hear the word coffee, what happens?
I just know it. I think of coffee.
Do you translate it first?
No, it just comes directly.
And the word taxi,
Same, just direct.
internet, okay, pizza.
All direct. I just know them.
So you already do this. You already understand some English without translating.
Oh, I never thought about that.
You are not starting from zero. You already have a direct road, a small one. The work is just making that road wider.
So I already have a small door. I just need to make it bigger.
That is it. Same brain, better road.
Okay, but how do I actually make it wider?
First, let me show you the problem clearly. Right now, this is what happens. You hear English. You translate. You speak. Too many steps.
And the conversation is already gone.
Right. Here is where you want to be. You hear English. You feel it directly. You respond.
That sounds impossible. My brain is too slow.
It feels impossible because you never used this before. That is all.
So what is the practice?
This is the simplest practice I know, and it works. I say a word. Do not translate it. Just say the first thing that comes to your mind, in English. Anything at all. Ready?
Okay.
Rain.
Wet.
Good. Keep going.
Cold. Umbrella. Gray sky.
You did not translate once.
I didn't. I just felt it.
That feeling, that is the direct road. One more. Morning.
Coffee. Alarm. Tired. Wait, is tired okay?
Perfect. You are not building a sentence yet. You are building a connection. Word to feeling. Word to image. Word to your real life.
But James, when do I make sentences?
Later. First, feel the word. Sentences come after.
Okay, so the feeling comes first.
Always.
So I still translate a little sometimes. Is that okay?
Yes. At first, yes. But every time you use the direct road, it gets stronger, and the translation road gets smaller.
This feels different from studying vocabulary.
Because it is different. When most people study vocabulary, they do this. Apple equals apple in your language. English word to your language word.
Yes, that is exactly how I studied.
And that works for reading, for tests, but for conversation, it makes the translation habit stronger.
Because every time I hear apple, I go through my language first.
Every single time, for years.
So what do I do instead?
Connect the English word directly to the image, the feeling, the memory. Apple. Do not think of the word in your language. Think of the smell, the taste, the color.
Wait, so the image is more important than the word?
The image is the word. That is what language really is.
Oh, language is not just words. Language is real life.
That is very honest. And you are not alone. Almost everyone who cannot speak well has the same pattern. They know the words, but the words are not connected to real life.
So, the problem was never my vocabulary.
Tell me what you think the problem was.
The road. I was always taking the long road, through translation, when the direct road was already there. I just never used it.
Say that to the people watching right now.
The road is the problem, not you.
Now, one question for everyone watching. What is one English word you already understand without translating? Just one word. Tell me in the comments. I read every single one.
I want to see the answers too.
Okay, Alice. Same situation as before. Your coworker asks you the same question.
Did you watch the game last night?
Do not think about grammar. Just go to the feeling first.
Okay. Yeah, I watched it. The last 10 minutes were crazy.
How did that feel?
Faster. I did not stop to check anything.
Was it perfect?
No.
Did it work?
Yes.
That is the change. Not perfect, working.
I think I was waiting to be perfect before I spoke.
And what happened?
I never spoke.
Right.
So, direct road, real life, feel first. That is today.
That is today. Free practice sheet is in the description. 5 minutes every day for 1 week.
Try it today.
Next video. You understand English now, but your mouth still won't open. That's the next problem. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.